All right, YouTube. The very first video, figured I would try my hand at restoring some Jordans. So I picked up some Jordan 15's and they were delivered today. Go ahead and get them off the porch. Bring them in here. I'm gonna open them up. See if I can attempt to do this one-handed. Never done a video before, so I'm sure I'll learn a little bit better as I do more. I've never even restored a shoe, for that matter. I've been a fan of Jordans for since '89. And I got my first pair of Jordans, I guess. Shout out to Mom for hiding that from my dad, because he would have died if he knew how much they were. Mom always hooked me up like that. So go ahead and open these. Smash Brothers sneaker sales. Okay. Set that aside. They gave me some mints. It's always nice. Have little treats in your packages. All right, here are the shoes. Get this paper out of the way. Set that aside. Set all this aside. Let's take a look at the shoes. Now, I'm gonna have to come back and shoot at a separate time the restoration part of it, and I use the term restoration loosely because these shoes are not really in bad shape, but I'm gonna clean them up, try to get some creasing out. I figured I would start small on my very first one and see how it goes from there. So here's the shoe and the creasing I'm talking about. I noticed when I purchased them, if you can see them right in this area, and then cleaning them up, there's just some dirt in there. Try to get some form back into the toe boxes. Take a look at the other shoe. Same creasing there. Maybe touch that up a little bit right in there. Some more dirt inside the toe. Some more creasing. So like I said, not really a restoration, more of a just a sprucing up, trying to get them into better shape, cleaner. So we'll see how it goes. We'll be back later. Thanks.